Did you know that the ground curcumin you purchased at the store has no potency or health benefits like the one you will get from fresh, organic turmeric root? In fact, you get nothing from the shop-bought powder compared to the fresh one. So the big question is, are you consuming the right curcumin spice? You will be shocked to know that you might have been consuming and misusing curcumin. The joy of learning intricate details of food items is the resulting health benefits that come with it. This same principle applies with curcumin. To get the best out of it and all of the health benefits, you need to learn and follow the proper steps to use this fantastic turmeric compound. If you are ready to know what it takes, then this is the right video for you. Curcumin, a natural antioxidant, is one of the key ingredients found in turmeric. It has a lot of health benefits, like treating inflammatory conditions, fighting off infection, and even improving brain function. When you consume curcumin correctly, you enjoy a healthy lifestyle and never experience any inflammatory-related diseases. So how do most people wrongly consume this active compound so they are deprived of its health benefits? Research has shown that 99% of US citizens do not use fresh turmeric root, but purchase ground spice for consumption. People consume curcumin wrongly when they consume purchased ground curcumin instead of a fresh one. Most people do not know that the curcumin they get from the ground turmeric spice they purchase does not have any of the antioxidant benefits that they would get from fresh turmeric root. Suppose you consume fresh curcumin that is made from turmeric root. In that case, you will enjoy many health benefits, which include anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties, lowering levels of bad cholesterol and triglycerides, helping to balance blood pressure, contributing to the balance of the immune system, reducing symptoms of depression, improving the flexibility of blood vessels, and much more. You may ask, what makes the curcumin from fresh turmeric roots different from the purchased ground powder? The difference is that many purchased ground curcumin powder has been bleached, chemically treated, and adulterated with God knows what. Who knows? Maybe the powder you purchased was milled a year or two ago, or even more. There are no guarantees it will still contain curcumin or other beneficial compounds. Also, how will you guarantee that the turmeric you get from the store is fresh? And even if it does come from a reliable source, it might have been contaminated with other ingredients that might alter its effectiveness when consumed. So, if you want to get these health benefits, if you want to fight disease, and if you want to lower your risk of cancer, consume curcumin from fresh turmeric root. The potency of curcumin from fresh turmeric root is more active than purchased ground turmeric. According to scientific research, it was validated that 4 out of 45 ground turmeric isolates maintained slight potency after 14 days. This study emphasizes why you should not trust processed ground turmeric from the store. You do not know how it was prepared, dried, or preserved. In addition, you cannot tell if it has been affected by heat, sunlight, or exposure to air. Nevertheless, you enjoy potent curcumin when you process it by yourself. As expected, the compound becomes more active if processed from fresh, organic turmeric root. Surprisingly, preparing curcumin from fresh turmeric for consumption or application is so easy. Let me share with you 8 benefits and usages of curcumin from fresh turmeric root. Number 8. Stews and soups. One way to ensure that you enjoy the potential health benefits of curcumin is by getting fresh turmeric root at the grocery. Of course, get the one grown organically to spice up your delicacies. Rinse the turmeric root with water and scrape it with a grater into your stew or soup while cooking. Ensure you do it moderately. You can also use it in fine form in your stew and soup if you can grind the turmeric root into powder. Grinding it yourself is better than buying the ground one at the spice shop because of some potential problems I discussed earlier in this video. All it requires from you is to peel it and grind it in a spice grinder until it has this powdery texture. Doing this will give you fresh curcumin with a tremendous amount of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory substances, anti-cancer agents, etc. Number 7. Immune system boost with curcumin concoction. Did you know you can boost your immune system by properly consuming curcumin? All you need to do is mix fresh turmeric root with other natural ingredients. Remember the saying, every house needs a grandmother in it. This famous grandma's remedy suits winter colds, annoying coughs, and immune system strengthening. The other natural ingredients are lemon juice, honey, and ginger. Get fresh turmeric and ginger root from any grocery to prepare this concoction. Grate them and put each teaspoon into an empty glass cup. Mix them with half of a freshly squeezed lemon, add a teaspoon of pure honey that has not been heated, and ensure you mix everything before you drink it. You can also give it to children because it has side effects if taken moderately. Number 6. Immune system maintenance with fresh curcumin. You can also maintain your immune system effectively, even when all is well with your health. This health benefit is only possible if you consume curcumin correctly. The procedures you are to follow are simple, like the previous ones. Get fresh turmeric root from the grocery and slice it into 5 or 6. After that, pour boiling water over it and wait a few minutes before you drink it. Ensure you do it slowly or with a spoon. For subsequent use, you should keep the slices of turmeric root to increase the effectiveness of the surface area whenever you add hot water to them. By doing this, the turmeric root will continuously secrete more incredible, water-soluble, active curcumin substances. Also, you can add a pinch of black pepper if you want to improve the absorption of the curcumin better. To maximize the benefits of this mixture, ensure you get your black pepper in small balls and grind them yourself at home. However, you should know that it will surely change after adding the black pepper. Number 5. Smoothie. Extra benefits with curcumin. Did you know that you can also get many potential health benefits from curcumin when you combine only fresh turmeric root with your green smoothies? Drinking smoothies alone ensures better digestion and serves as a source of antioxidants. When you mix curcumin from fresh turmeric root with your smoothies, this excellent combo will increase the neutralization and excretion of toxins from your body. Get your fresh turmeric root, grate it, and add a teaspoon to your smoothies. You can chop your fresh turmeric into pieces and mix them with your smoothies. Don't forget to add just a pinch of black pepper to your combo to make it more effective. Number 4. The effect of curcumin and salt on dental care. You can enjoy healthy white teeth if you mix curcumin from fresh turmeric root with salt. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory and has lightening substances which are excellent and active for those who suffer from gum infections. Get fresh turmeric root, grind it yourself with a coffee grinder, and pour it into a jar of hot water. Add salt moderately into the water to disinfect your mouth and brush. Do not put turmeric on the brush because you may suffer from receding gums. In addition, better to have a dedicated brush for this method. Number 3. Curcumin solution for radiant face. The curcumin compound in turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can improve your skin's appearance. Turmeric's healing powers can help you achieve your glowing complexion goals without expensive facials or medical treatments. However, ground turmeric powder can never do that for you. You should get your curcumin from fresh, organic turmeric root for this solution. The curcumin you get from the fresh turmeric root is the only active solution that will lighten your face and reduce the abundance of melanin production on your face. In addition, it will also tone your skin and remove scars from your face. To achieve this solution, scrape a teaspoon of fresh turmeric root with a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice and add a teaspoon of pure unheated honey. Mix all the ingredients and apply them on the face for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Number 2. Acne and dry skin solutions. Acne is a common skin disorder affecting nearly 70% of adolescents and 35% of adults at some point in their lives. However, fresh curcumin may be an option since it contains anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties that help clear acne breakouts and prevent future ones from forming. To get rid of the stubborn, embarrassing acne, mash a teaspoon of banana, add fresh turmeric, and apply moderately on the pimples. Though no systematic clinical research has been done on this folk treatment, it works and can't hurt. Also, for anyone who suffers from dry skin, curcumin could be the secret to getting your skin looking and feeling its best. Whether you suffer from eczema or psoriasis, or have sensitive skin prone to chapping, try the curcumin solution. This active ingredient has been shown to stimulate collagen production and protect against oxidative stress while reducing inflammation and redness in your skin. You can use curcumin and fresh turmeric root for skincare if you have dry skin. To process this curcumin ointment for dry skin, mix a teaspoon of organic coconut oil with a teaspoon of turmeric powder you just ground by yourself in a ratio of 1:1. Ensure you apply evenly to the dry areas of your skin. The curcumin will accelerate the regeneration of the skin cells and nourish them. You can also use this ointment to relieve the cracks in your feet. However, do not go out in the sun after applying this ointment, as turmeric on the skin increases sensitivity to the sun's rays. Number 1. Pampering Turmeric Chai Delight. Turmeric chai has been used as an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant tonic to treat gastrointestinal distress, kidney disease, menstrual problems, flatulence, toothaches, and general pain relief since thousands of years ago. Here is how you can make your own turmeric chai at home. Get 1/4 cup of hot water, 3/4 cup of almond milk, 1 small date, and 2 centimeters of fresh organic turmeric root into a powerful blender. Mix all the ingredients in a blender for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Pour it into your mug, stir well, and drink your fine turmeric chai tea hot. Caution: it is forbidden to add turmeric to your shampoo or conditioner. Please don't do it. If you try applying turmeric to your scalp, it will result in hair loss, and you won't like that. So ensure you have fresh and organic turmeric root at home because of the quality curcumin you will find from it. Though you may not necessarily need it for any of what we discuss in this video, replace the purchased ground turmeric powder with fresh organic turmeric root for your consumption. Thank you for watching until now. It's highly appreciated. Subscribe and turn on notifications to see more videos of living healthy through natural remedies. Check out this video to keep caring for your body. I think you will like watching it. See you in the following video. Take care.